So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you how to edit text color here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, go to the bottom, press on the T to add some text, then create a text box, and I'll go ahead and type in the word color. So for me by default, the color is black. If I wanted to go ahead and highlight the entire thing right here, I can scroll down to where it says typography and then scroll down to where it says fill. You can tap on the icon right here. Then a bunch of different options open up. So for example, if I wanted to just go ahead and maybe make this font, let's just say green, I can slide this bar, make it green like that. I can then play around with it. You can also go ahead and do a bunch of different ways to change the color right here, but I'm going to go ahead and just do this right here. It's probably the simplest if you slide this bar, do what you got to do, and then do it accordingly. If you wanted to do maybe certain letters, so let's just say you wanted to make the O a certain letter, I can highlight that. I can then change it right here to green. I can then change this one to red, and I can change whatever you want to whatever color. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit text color here in Figma. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.